Ever wondered why, despite following a strict workout regime, there's still a bit of belly sag that refuses to go away? You're not alone. This common issue, often referred to as the apron belly, can be a source of frustration and can even impact one's self-esteem. But fret no more. Today we're going to delve into the ways to reduce belly sagging naturally. First off, it's essential to understand what an apron belly is. It refers to the excess skin and fat around the waistline that tends to hang, creating an apron-like shape. It's often a result of significant weight loss, pregnancy, or simply due to aging. While it's not necessarily a health risk, it can cause discomfort and affect one's confidence. Now, let's move on to the main event: the steps to reduce belly sagging naturally. Step 1. Incorporate a balanced diet. While this might seem obvious, it's a crucial step. Consuming a diet rich in lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains helps to maintain a healthy weight and prevent excess fat accumulation. Step 2. Engage in regular physical activity. Aerobic exercises, strength training, and yoga can help tighten the muscles underneath the sagging belly skin. A combination of these activities can contribute to a flatter and firmer belly. Step 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is not only good for overall health but also helps to improve skin elasticity. It aids in maintaining the skin's suppleness and can reduce the appearance of sag. Step 4. Practice good posture. Standing and sitting upright can make a significant difference. It engages the core muscles, helping to tighten the belly area. Step 5. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can lead to weight gain, including around the belly area. So, ensure to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. And there you have it. These are the 5 steps to help reduce belly sagging naturally. Remember, this isn't a quick fix. It's a lifestyle change that requires consistency and patience. To summarize, the apron belly, while not a health risk, can impact self-esteem. However, it can be managed naturally by incorporating a balanced diet, engaging in regular physical activity, staying hydrated, practicing good posture, and getting enough sleep. Remember, everybody is different, and progress looks different for everyone, so don't be too hard on yourself. Embrace the journey and celebrate every small victory along the way. Here's to a healthier, more confident you.